Are you always wondering how I'm making these profits each and every day whenever I'm trading or whenever I set most of my zones are respected? In this video today, we're going to look at my base liquidity sweep strategy. That is 15 minutes time frame liquidity sweep strategy. And also in this video, we're going to look at how to take these trades, when to take these trades, what to follow when you are taking these trades, and also where liquidity zones are. And also we are not going to forget another thing which is called imbalance of fair value gap. And don't forget that this strategy made me 9,000 US dollars just in one day when I traded this strategy. So make sure you like, share, and comment to this video so that you can't miss more trading videos.
Join my free Telegram channel. Curious about how I consistently analyze the market and how my students are achieving impressive trading results? In my free Telegram channel, I share selected market analysis and educational insights, trade results and success stories from my students, updates on what we're doing inside the VIP community, trading motivation and mindset tips. This free channel gives you a behind-the-scenes look at how we approach the market and serves as the direct gateway to my VIP signals and mentorship programs. Join today using the link in description below or in bio and discover what is possible when you learn to trade with precision and confidence.
Without wasting much time, let's get started. The first and foremost thing is that this strategy has been my strategy for over many years now, and it has been working for me. And you can see most of my videos that I have been posting, I've been talking about this strategy, but a lot of things that you have not been seeing. So today I want to go totally deep into this strategy so that you can understand more about these things. Now, for example, you can see this is gold. Of course, our time frame is 15 minutes chart, and you can see that on 15 minutes chart we are in a downtrend. The market is breaking to the lower lows. Now, if we can take a look, well, we can see that this area here was mitigated by this move. So if that area was mitigated by this move, then this move too was mitigated by this move. Now, what else do we see? We are seeing that when the market tried to come back to this area, we are still having one area that is not mitigated, which is this one. So if this area here was mitigated by this area and this one was mitigated by this one, then we are waiting for this area here to be mitigated. Now, what are the reasons that are going to make us wait for this area to be mitigated? And what are the main reasons that we are going to follow in order to take a trade from that area? Now, let me show you this. We can see that recently when the market was moving, it was breaking perfectly to the lower lows. And then if we can see well, by breaking, the market has to retest back, or what some people call pullbacks and all that. Now, I want you to look at this. We are having a market that was dropping down, and then later there was a strong bullish candle that moved in, and this strong bullish candle that moved in was meaning retest. Now, if the market really wanted to continue to the lower lows, would have respected this zone and then drop for good like it was dropping before. Now, what did happen? The market started moving like this. Now, what does this mean? It means that the market that was interested in dropping down has changed the direction right now. It might just continue to the higher highs anytime from now, as long as we are having the main reasons as to why we can take a trade from that. Now, many people confuse change of character with, how can I call it, with a market that is going to just continue that new trend that it has created. It might change character just to move 2 steps and then go back to the direction it was going to. So sometimes people do confuse that, and that's why most of the times they are taken out. Now, there's something I want you to see. First and foremost, what is liquidity? Liquidity is money. If liquidity is money, what moves the market? Market is moved by the liquidity. Now, not only liquidity being money, liquidity is your stop loss. Now, I have seen most of people come into my classes having that issue of being swept out as liquidity. Now, why? It's because they are just in the way of liquidity. So I'm going to show you zones where there is liquidity and how liquidity can be swept from those zones so that we can see why did we choose a zone to take a trade from. Now, there is this. You can see the market was moving up and it had left some liquidity behind. What I'm calling liquidity are these wicks that you're seeing. These wicks are meaning that the market came, swept liquidity, which was stop losses for the sellers who had entered from here. And then after sweeping liquidity from there, then the market dropped. What does this mean? It means that the new sellers who have entered around here, they have set their stop losses around here. Anytime those stop losses can be taken, that means that this liquidity can easily be taken. Now, when the market is coming up, we can see that the market tried to continue breaking higher highs. It was creating some kind of retest and then trying to break high. Now, this was a break of structure. Now, if the market is breaking, of course, we know it's going to the direction where it is breaking to. Now, what do we see again? We are seeing a market that swept liquidity instead of breakout structure somewhere here. We are still on 15 minutes chart. We haven't changed from that. Now, if the market has just swept liquidity from this area, what does this give us? Which picture does it show us? It shows us that we, of course, have liquidity that is being left here, and also a zone that is not mitigated might be a clear zone for us to take a trade from, since the market is just hunting for liquidity. Now, this is what happens. There is liquidity here, and this is what we call extreme liquidity around here. Now, if this is the extreme liquidity, we are waiting for the market to do what? To take that extreme liquidity so that we can take our trade. Now, let's mark this as our order block to take a trade from. Now, this is our order block that we are waiting for the market to come to in order to take a trade from. Now, sometimes you're going to see me marking zones as risky, mid-risk, and all that. Now, this is what I want to tell you. This is a risky zone because of something. Market changed the direction from here, and it is in need of just continuing to the higher highs. So imagine if the market is in need of just going to the higher highs, what do you think, what do you expect? The zone can easily be broken. So if I'm saying that, I'm just saying that because I know all that can happen. Now, what else do we see in this market? We are seeing what we call fair value gap, what we call imbalance. Now, you can see this fair value gap or imbalance here. What I call fair value gap, if you see a candlestick, let me zoom in like this so that you can see this well. Such kind of candlesticks, when a first candlestick going to the next one has a space where the first and the third candlesticks are not meeting anywhere, then this space is called imbalance. So you can see that somewhere here also. This happened, this side also there was imbalance. So which is totally different from what? You can see this bullish candlestick here. This candlestick and this one are meeting somewhere. Of course, there is no imbalance here. So that's what we call imbalance. Imbalance is this space that you're seeing. So since we are having imbalance that is in need of being filled, of course, that makes us think of this area as another zone to take a trade from, because that's another confirmation. Now, if you want to learn and stop being confused a lot, I'd like to say that get to my mentorship, because it's the best for real, because I'll give you the best that you have never seen. And by the way, I'm still giving out the offer of giving 10,000 instant account free, no passing and no doing what when you go for a profit accelerator class. And also I'm giving out 100k funded account free, instant, no passing any challenge. It's instant when you join the mastermind access class. So imagine you having a 100k account and you're making 20,000 a month, 10,000 a month. It's something good. You see, 100,000, imagine, US dollars.
If you are serious about mastering trading and building a profitable career, my mentorship programs are designed to take you to the next level. Profit Accelerator class. Receive a free instant $10,000 funded account. No challenge required. Mastermind access. Receive an instant $100,000 funded account. No challenge required. Inside the mentorship, you will learn Liquidity Sweep Strategies, my $10,000 weekly profit strategy, sniper entries and risk management, live market analysis, personal guidance, and support. Limited slots are available. Message me now to secure your place, or tap on the link in the description below or in bio to join today.
So now look at this. We are having the imbalance that needs to be taken out. Now, if we are having the imbalance that needs to be taken out, what do you think is going to happen? First of all, the market is hunting for this imbalance to be filled. Like you can see, other imbalances are filled here below. So We are waiting for the market to come to our area, and then we take a zone. Now, if we are going to take an entry from that area, we have to first look at this. I always say that. Always check how big is the zone. Now, this area is around 60 pips. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. Now, if we are taking a trade from this area, how many pips are we looking for? Of course, always and always and always look for bigger profits than the losses or the risk. So minimize the risk and maximize the profit. So our first TP that I was taking from was around here, and it's the one I think I took, and then I got out. It was around somewhere there. Now imagine you're risking 60 pips to make 230 pips, 231 pips. Let's imagine you're having a 100k account. How much do you think you can make in this trade? I'm sure a lot of people can make 2,300, just one trade, one trade in one day. So imagine, and it's an instant account. It's not the account that you're going to pass anything. Wow. So now look at this. Let me show you something. Now the market is going to take out the liquidity and fill the imbalance. Good. Now the market has taken out the liquidity, fill the imbalance. So where are we heading to? We're heading to the low zone so that we can take our trade. Of course, we have, okay, so we are looking for 230 pips. Wow, 230 pips. So imagine you taking that trade. Now let's see how the market really did it. I'm going to show you the screenshots of the trade that I took, and you will see that how I made my 9,000 USDs. And then boom, the market hits take profit. Now, do you see what I said? Now, when you can see here, you can see that the market was just sweeping liquidity. It swept liquidity from that area, swept this last liquidity, and also this liquidity here around here. So all this liquidity is taken out until the market touches the zone, and then boom, respects the zone and gave us our profits. Those are the screenshots of the trade that I took, and you can see how I really made it. So trading is easy as long as you have the skill. So when you learn from the best and then you make trading easy for you, it's just going to be easy. So what I can say that don't forget to get into the classes. You don't have to complicate things with trading. You can be having one setup for years that is going to give you profits and profits and profits and profits. You just get tired of profits. So don't forget to join my classes, learn and understand what I'm trying to teach you, and I'm sure you're going to make it soon. So let's bang it. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment so that you can't miss more videos that are coming.